For years, silver has been waiting for what is unfolding before our very eyes. Currencies are dying. Central banks are printing money on a scale of biblical proportions. Money is being shifted around and around, seeking return, safety, or survival. Silver demand is surging. The game of musical chairs that the money guys are playing is starting to unravel, and they are taking their seats before the music stops. First clue was when JPMorgan attempted to corner the market on copper, taking up to 80% of the market. Big money isn't stupid. It will eventually move out of fiat and into hard assets. The Fed is now talking about QE3. Apparently, the Fed has painted itself into a corner. Any attempt at financial reform will be equivalent to rearranging the deck chairs on the Titanic. It's all going down. Here is a question for you to consider. If they just admitted to supporting foreign banks and private corporations with 8 to 9 trillion of the TALF money, what do you think they did with the rest that they are not willing to disclose? I will tell you what they had to do with it. Prop up the stock markets with key buys to prime up moves. The last line of defense for the Fed is the stock market. This is what quantitative easing to infinity is all about, so Americans can look at their 401k statements and say everything is all right, as the fire consumes everything around them. Look at this chart. Really look at it. It doesn't take a Wall Street trader to see where silver is going. It's going to be a roller coaster, but remember, at some point, the former bad guys will be joining in. All the money JPMorgan lost by shorting from $16 to $30 can easily be regained going long from $35 to $50. That doesn't count all the times they made money on the short side when they were doing it right, or the free funds funneled to them via the American taxpayer. From $30 silver, we will overtake 50, and from $50 silver, we will reach 80. You silver bugs are a crazy lot, but you are about to get paid off in a big, big way. For the average American who hasn't diversified their portfolio into the exciting bull run we are seeing in precious metals, Royal Metals Group works with financial advisors and insurance agents to move client investments into physical gold and silver. Call us today to find out more.